Welcome back to our in-depth look at the newly introduced iOS 18.1 beta. In this update, Apple has rolled out a host of innovative features under its Apple Intelligence banner, exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Now, these enhancements include powerful writing tools, advanced photo search capabilities, and a more intuitive Siri. Join us as we explore how these AI-driven updates are set to transform your iPhone experience, making everyday tasks smarter and more seamless than ever before. Welcome back, everyone, to the Wondershare Dr.Fone channel. My name is Francisco, and today we will be talking about the newly introduced iOS 18.1 beta. So please make sure to subscribe because there is a lot more content yet to come. And if you want to learn how to install the beta, then just stick around here. But if you want to skip over to the feature set of iOS 18.1 beta, then skip to the timestamp on screen. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. How to install iOS 18.1 beta. So first things first, we're going to talk about how to install iOS 18.1 beta onto your device, and I will stress that it really is just for people that have an iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max that should get this update if they want to test out some of the new features that came with this update, including the introduction of Apple Intelligence. With that said, here are going to be the steps to installing iOS 18.1 beta onto your iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is enroll into the Apple Developers Program, which is super simple and easy to do, and it's also completely free if you just want to try out the beta. So on your web browser, go to the Apple Developer website, and from there, all you have to do is just sign up for the program by logging in with your Apple ID. Once you're in, navigate to the download section and download the iOS 18.1 beta profile. From here, go to Settings, Profile Downloaded, and tap on Install, where you will also see information about iOS 18.1 beta. Then go to Settings, General, Software Update, and then from there, tap on Install to fully install the iOS 18.1 beta. Once it's all done, you can access your iPhone with iOS 18.1 beta fully installed. Part 2. Every feature that you do get with iOS 18.1 beta. Now let's go ahead and talk about the latest features included with iOS 18.1 beta, which are mostly centered around Apple Intelligence. So here's pretty much everything that you will get with this new update. Apple Intelligence. We're starting off with the most important parts because we've received several features within this single umbrella. Now you can rewrite, proofread, and summarize text from several apps, which are mostly Apple first-party apps, but there is some expansion added to third-party apps as well. So probably won't work for everything, but it should be fine for now. Siri also received an enhancement, including the ability to switch between text and voice and to add better context retention during different types of interactions. We've also got some enhancements to the Mail app and Smart Reply suggestions, summaries of emails previews, and a section that will highlight urgent emails for you. Now lastly, it has the ability to record a call, and this is only available on iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, and then stores the calls in the Notes app with a transcript. I'd say this is pretty much everything we've got from Apple Intelligence, which is fine, and I look forward to seeing the amazing things that Apple will do with AI later on. Photos app. This feature is actually quite simple, but pretty cool. So we've got the introduction of memory movies, which are made based on descriptions that you provide and uses your pictures and videos. You can also look for specific moments when looking for pictures to make finding pictures much easier and intuitive, which is something that I personally love. Focus mode. This is also a very simple feature that was added, but it only lets essential notifications through when you turn on focus mode and can be adjusted to work for you. Lastly, we've got the ability to report Apple Intelligence data. So you can choose to export your Apple Intelligence data to get a better view of how your data is being utilized overall. So thank you so much for watching this video all the way up to the very end. If you like this video, then please make sure to leave us a like and comment any of your thoughts and questions down in the comment section. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this, and hit the notification bell to stay updated every time a new video comes out. Until next time, have a great day.